If you've got man boobs, you probably hate mirrors more than Mondays. Good news, Sugar Chest. Today, we're burning them off, explaining why they exist, and making sure you never jiggle again. You've heard the nicknames before. Man boobs, moobs, chest pillows, walking embarrassment. Yeah, they're mean, but the plan today is to destroy the reason they exist, not your self-esteem. Step 1, know your enemy. Before we attack the fat, let's figure out what the enemy actually is. There are 2 types of chest problems. Number 1, you're just fat. Number 2, you've got a hormonal issue called gynecomastia. Let's compare. The first guy just has overall body fat. Big chest, big belly, big everything. The second one looks soft and puffy around the nipple, firmer to the touch because it's not fat, it's breast tissue caused by hormones. So, step back and poke your chest. If it feels soft, like cookie dough, it's fat. If it feels firm or rubbery right under the nipple, welcome to Gyno Town. Population: mostly dudes who abused steroids or have hormone issues. Step 2, don't fall for fairy tales. If someone told you push-ups alone can melt away gynecomastia, they're lying. You can't work out breast tissue. That's medical. You fix that through surgery or hormone correction. But here's the silver lining. Most guys don't have gynecomastia. They just have chest fat pretending to be gyno. And that, my friend, can be destroyed. Step 3. Operation Fat Burn begins. First rule: diet beats dumbbells every time. You can do 1,000 push-ups a day, but if you eat like a raccoon in a pizza dumpster, nothing will change. You'll just have stronger man boobs. So, no "I'm on a diet" nonsense. Being on a diet means you'll eventually be off it. You need a real eating plan, something sustainable, not a temporary starvation stunt. Clean food, high protein, moderate carbs, healthy fats. Your body burns what you feed it, so feed it logic, not fast food emotions. Step 4. Stop avoiding chest workouts. Some guys think if I train my chest, it'll make my boobs bigger. Wrong. That's not how physics works, Cupcake. Fat takes up more space than muscle. When you build muscle under that fat, your chest becomes tighter and denser. You're replacing soft marshmallow with hard marble. So yes, train your chest, but do it right. Use a mix of push-ups, bench press, dips, and incline work. Your upper chest is key to building that squared, masculine look. Attack it from every angle like you're fighting your ex's new boyfriend. Step 5. Full chest arsenal. You need to hit your chest like an action movie montage. Flat bench for overall size. Incline press for upper chest. Decline or dips for lower chest. Flies for stretch and shape. And for the love of gains, learn to control your reps. No bouncing the bar off your ribs like a trampoline. Slow, controlled, chest to bar, full squeeze. That's how you build definition, not disappointment. Step 6. Hormone reality check. If you suspect it's hormonal, get tested. Low testosterone or high estrogen can mess you up. It happens in teens and older men. If that's you, talk to a doctor, not TikTok. And definitely don't buy miracle pills from shady guys in tank tops. And by the way, if you're wondering how I made this entire animation in 1 hour, while 2D animators are still arguing about frame rates and coffee brands, the link's in the description.